Wise top-up pending. Fix. If your Wise top-up is pending, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you what to do. Step 1. Check the top-up status. Open Wise and review the current status of your pending top-up. Step 2. Review the expected timeline. Bank or card payments can take hours or several business days, especially on weekends or holidays. Step 3. Check your payment method. Make sure your card or bank account is active and has enough funds. Step 4. Verify your account. Complete any pending verification steps in the Wise app. Step 5. Refresh or update the app. Log out and back in or update the app to fix display issues. Step 6. Contact Wise Support. If the top-up is taking too long, contact Wise Support in the app with your reference. Tips: be patient during weekends, verify your payment method, and save the top-up reference. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Wise top-up that's pending. Thank you for watching.